Today, I'm going to show you how to upload your work to Artsonia. First thing, you're going to type in artsonia.com/class, just like it is right here. All right, you'll have student sign in. That's you. I'd rather you didn't do this right now. I want you to, we don't have Google Classroom accounts. So you're going to take your code, which is, okay, this is your code. Write it down if you need to. I'm going to find the grade that I'm in. Okay, so I'm using Clara as an example. So I'm going to type in, click on 9th grade. Okay, I'm going to look for her name. It pops up. Now, this is important. When it pops up, there's 3 different classes. Make sure you put your stuff in the right class. Okay? So her class is drawing 1. So she's going to click on drawing 1. She's going to go up here where it says add artwork. She's going to select an image. And for the sake of time, I'm going to go to OneDrive, go to art classes. I'm going to go to drawing 1. I'll find Clara's, let's see, ink drawing, her character sketch. I don't see hers. Oh dear. Okay, we'll just grab, we'll lie. We'll grab the owl from Hannah Hayden. Open. Now, we've got the video there. We're going to say upload now. Okay, now I've got this here. You don't want to do a lot of messing with it. You want to leave it alone. I'll say accept. Now, here's what you can look at. If you want to crop it, I see she's got a little stuff here. You could crop it, but I'd rather not do anything to it. So I'm going to accept it. Enter a title. Cool owl. Or whatever. I just give it a name. Once you've got the name, if you're not sure what to do, you say finish later. If you're finished, turn in title. Okay. Now, here's the things you have to think about. These are things you're going to think about writing. I want at least three sentences. What's your favorite part of the artwork? What is your least favorite? This is stuff we do all the time. So answer at least 3 of these questions that look pretty cool. So people can see what the thought is behind yours. Once you get that finished, I'm going to say, now it says skip. You can't skip. So I'm going to print gobbledygook. So, whoa, I have a statement. Now, this is not going to help you write it properly. So if you want to write your statement, make sure you have someone else help you check your spelling and your punctuation. Once you've got your statement written, turn in statement. Okay, now you've got an owl. Okay, it's right there. All right, it's turned in. Now see how it just says turned in here? That means I haven't reviewed it yet. See, waiting for me to review. Now I'm going to go to my page and I'm going to review it real quick and show you how my side looks. So I go to Artsonia. I go to projects. Notice it's in red. It tells me I have something to review. Up here it's yellow. It says I have something to review. Okay, for review. Submitted for your review. Cool owl, blah, 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 blah. Artwork. Okay. I can give you feedback or I can talk about, what you did right or wrong. And if I don't think if I need you to redo this, I can hit edit and that will make it go back. I can also edit it up here. Sometimes I'll call you up to edit it. But let's pretend this is great. So I'm going to say approve. Once it says approve, it will show up on here as a finished product. Everyone who's signed up can see it. Now, once this is here, I still have power. Like if we accidentally upload 2 or something's wrong on one, here's what we can do. I can hit delete and it's gone. And we can do a different one or fix it. So that's all there is to it. It's very, very simple. This is how we do Artsonia. Okay, everybody?